After receiving an invitation to join the Easy Blockchain platform, the user opens an email containing a link to the registration process. By clicking the link, the user is taken to the account creation flow, which consists of 3 steps. In the first step, the user set up the account. They need to provide their first and last name. Then, a user needs to upload a profile picture. Next, the user creates a password that meets the specified requirements. Additionally, the user must agree to the platform's terms of service. The user also has the option to enable email-based authentication, which adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code sent to the email during login. If the user decides to skip this option, it can be enabled later in the account settings. Once all required information is filled in, the user clicks Continue to move to the next step. In the second step, the user sets up two-factor authentication. To secure the account, they scan a QR code using an authentication app such as Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. Alternatively, the user can set up the authentication manually by entering a special setup key instead of scanning the QR code. The generated code from the app is then entered into the designed field to complete the step. The third step involves team setup, which is optional. If the user chooses to complete the step, they can invite team members by entering their email addresses and assign roles. The invited team members will receive an email with instructions to register on the platform. If the team is not ready yet, the step can be skipped and revisited later in the My Team section. Once all steps are completed, the user finishes the registration process and gains access to the Easy Blockchain platform, ready to start working.